Hey, I'm Gina from runningtothekitchen.com, which is a recipe-focused site that lives somewhere in between my love for food, my recent journey to health through food, and my competitive spirit in the form of fitness. So I grew up in a large Italian family. Food was always the primary focus of all of our gatherings. I was super active. I played sports all the way through high school and college, and so I never really thought of it as anything but the way to fuel my active lifestyle. So I can vividly remember on a beach vacation when I was 27 with my friends and family that I just hated the way I felt on that vacation. I hated the way I looked, and it was the tipping point for me. It was when I decided to do something about my lifestyle and just really started to change my mindset on food and wellness and make it more of a priority in my life. The biggest challenge for me was constantly having to explain myself and my new priorities in my healthier lifestyle. I wanted to have time between our workday and dinner to be able to fit in a workout. I wanted to eat something a little bit more nutritious for lunch. I think what surprised me the most is that I don't even really think about it anymore. It's not really my new healthy lifestyle, it's just the way I want to live my life. Probiotics are an important part of my wellness journey. I take a daily Up4 women's probiotic every morning before breakfast, and they help me maintain a healthy digestive system. I can definitely be a combination of competitive, driven, and persistent when I want to be. It has proved both positive and negative in my life, but I think when it comes to a health and wellness journey, it's been nothing but positive for me.